Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Jonny here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So for those of you that have come across my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. Now, the whole purpose of the video is really just to give you a bit of an update on where I am. So as you guys know, for those of you that are following me, will know that I've set myself a massive challenge of basically achieving or generating £3,000 in 31 days. Now, where I am with that is basically I've been doing a lot of research, I've been looking at a lot of videos online in terms of the different methods, strategies that you can use to help generate money online, because that is the one caveat that I gave myself, that any money that I make needs to be done online. So as you can imagine, when I did my research, there were thousands of ways that I could potentially use to help me generate this income online. However, what I thought I'd do is that I would list in priority order, or I would list the strategies that I felt would generate income in the quickest time possible. So that's what I've done, and that's how I've basically put together this list in order of priority. Now, in terms of what that list looks like, I will be able to shoot in my next video, but I thought right now I'll just give you a little bit of insight in terms of what exactly I'm doing, because I am running out of time. It is now the 28th of February, so yeah, I gotta keep moving. The one thing that I also wanted to stress in this video, that a challenge like this, where I've given myself a target, in order to increase the chances of hitting that target, you do need to do a lot of prep work and a lot of planning, and that's basically what I've been doing. Because if I do the prep and planning within that 31 days, the chances of me falling short of my target are very high. So I've already laid down the groundwork and the prep, which is going to help give me a good start in terms of generating that 3K in 31 days. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button as well. For those of you that want to keep up to date with all the videos that I'm going to put out there, then make sure you hit that notifications button, that bell icon, so that every time that I do upload a video, you will be notified of that. So guys, I'll leave it there. You have a wonderful day, and I look forward to speaking to you soon on my next video. Take care, bless.